Hey, what's up, guys? It's MacGyver7, and today we're going to feature one of my favorite products that I like to use all the time, and it's going to be the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. All right, so this is the newest rendition of the Amazon Fire Stick family. It is slated to be the most powerful one. Today we're going to do an unboxing to see what's inside, see what it looks like, and we'll probably get into a little depth on some of the specs and things like that that go along with this device here. Alright guys, so right now you're looking at both the original Fire TV Stick and the new Fire TV Stick 4K. The new Fire TV Stick 4K came out on October 31st and it was slated at about $50, but now it's on sale for about $34.99, so it's a complete steal. I have the older Fire TV Stick here just to kind of showcase the differences in the packaging and how one box seems to be a little bit bigger than the other, which actually leads us to kind of knowing that this Fire TV Stick 4K is actually a little bit bigger than the previous model that recently came out. Alright, so for this unboxing, we're going to focus just on the new Fire TV Stick 4K. So go ahead and push this guy out of there. Alright, so on the box, you're going to notice pretty much the same pictures and everything. It gives you specs on the sides, but we're going to go ahead and dive in and open this box up and see what we got inside. Take this tape off here, put that to the side here. I'm going to open up the flap here. Alright, so right off the bat, pretty much the same as the original unit, same kind of packaging, but I do notice a couple new things here. For one, the Fire TV Stick is a little bit longer. You guys see that there? Comes in this same plastic packaging. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up here. So I can grab that there. Alright, so the HDMI port is pretty much the same. Do have that nice Amazon logo there as well that's on the stick. The USB port is actually in the same spot. It's pretty solid. It's got good weight to it. You have your standard USB cable. Your batteries are in here. Now the newest thing with the Fire TV Stick 4K is going to be the remote. This is where you're going to see the greatest difference in this unit. On the remote are some cool features here that we've actually been asking for the past couple of years since the original Fire TV Stick came out. And the cool thing with this remote is that it now has a power button. There's a power button here. You also have a volume up and down button here, which is actually pretty awesome, and a mute button as well. So the remote is a bit more powerful. It still has the Alexa mic on there as well, so you can summon Alexa and ask for different apps on the Fire TV Stick, or you can summon different actions on the Fire TV Stick as well. So that's something really cool they've added to this new Fire TV Stick 4K. So the remote is definitely a huge improvement. As far as specs go, the new Fire TV Stick 4K supports 4K HDR, which is amazing, especially at this price point. It also covers HDR10 format and Dolby Vision as well. So this thing is actually pretty powerful. Alright, so the Fire TV Stick 4K, upon further review, this actual stick is supposed to be, according to Amazon, 80% faster than its own Fire TV Cube, which is actually that top-end Fire TV device that they have available there. So this stick is actually going to give you pretty good performance. That means streaming's not going to buffer. If you're running some other apps on there, they should not buffer, have any hiccups as well. According to Amazon, this thing is running 1.7 gigahertz processor on the inside. With this stick, you're going to see a vast improvement with the processing power with it. It also has an increased Wi-Fi chip in there as well. So it's going to be using that new 802.11 AC adapter. So you're going to get really good Wi-Fi connectivity, which means that if you're running Comcast or AT&T, you're not going to have any hiccups if this Fire Stick is in a room that's not too close to your original router in your room or anything like that. So it's going to work really well. Overall, just by going off the specs and the way this thing looks, I mean, there's really no reason why you guys wouldn't want to have this device in your house. Right now it's on sale for $34.99, which cannot be beat. It's actually cheaper than the Roku 4K device as well, which is a little bit more expensive. This thing covers everything that Amazon has in their app store. So you're going to get all those great apps available in here. The only thing or downside to this Fire TV Stick 4K is that it does not support a native YouTube app. So that's something that'll have to be a workaround, and we'll get into a little bit later how you can get YouTube on here. I'll shoot another video for you guys to show you how you can get sideload apps onto this Fire TV Stick 4K in another video as well. So again, guys, this is a great buy. This is something I recommend, highly recommend you pick up right now from Amazon. I'll have a link in my description if you're interested in getting one and setting it up, so you can go ahead and get it right now while it's on sale for $34.99. Again, it's a great device, and I strongly recommend it. As always, guys, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in and watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button below. Also hit that subscribe button as well, guys. If you really love this video and want to see more of it, hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell icon for notifications. Again, this is a great Amazon TV device. I feel like every one of you guys should go ahead and get one, especially at that $34.99 price point. It's a great deal. I have one. Friends of mine have one as well, so definitely go ahead and check it out. I have a link in the description for it as well. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.